And welcome back dear subscriber. Today I am come up with the big news from NPTEL side for exam January to April. Now the NPTEL has already created the modified pass certificate as well as your assignment score sheet. And the people who attempted exam on June 4 and passed the exam, they have also got the final certificate. So let me start it, and I will also tell you how you can download your certificate and how NPTEL is looking after all the concern and issuing all the certificate for the student benefit with credit. So first you can see here this mail I got around 45 minutes before, and the heading is NPTEL certificate and assignment later January to April 2020 semester. And email address you can see here support@nptel.iitm.ac.in. So first, final course certificate. I wrote exam on June 4th and I passed the subject, so I got this. Your mail may be somewhat different. What is included here? We have conducted the first exam, remote video protected exam for the course enhancing soft skill on June 4th, and this is informed that about me, I have passed the exam this and I am eligible for the final certificate. So I have got the normal certificate, right, for this course enhancing soft skill and personality. And in last video I had added about is NPTEL is going to provide a score, assignment score certificate, assignment score and modified pass certificate for the people who are going to pass on June 4th or not. So NPTEL is here providing also those both certificate. You can see here your assignment score sheet and modified pass certificate for this course has also been generated. There may be one question that why NPTEL is generating modified pass certificate though I have passed the exam. Actually NPTEL informed only around 30 to 35 hours before conducting the exam. So in hurry, a lot of students didn't get prepared. They was not ready to write the exam, but they attempted and they secured the less mark. They are unable to due to technical fault, due to other fault, like some student that is 3 hours exam. So some student is writing exam and in mid of after 1 hour they faced a lot of technical problem and they couldn't write 3 hours. So their score is just above pass mark and they didn't write for the whole time. So you can see here actually a student is feeling somewhat different. In that case, even though student is passing, they are securing pass mark. So for that reason the NPTEL is addressing by providing modified pass certificate. So based on assignment score the modified certificate is given, so their score will be high. So those students who are securing less mark in the final exam, they can use modified pass certificate. So the reason NPTEL is here providing modified pass certificate. As well as NPTEL is also providing assignment score sheet. I had also talking about will NPTEL will provide modified or assignment score. Here NPTEL is providing both. As per your need you can use it, and both have the QR code, so anyone can scan that and verify that it is from NPTEL or not. Then how you can go and access that? Then we have to click on this link and we have to go and download. So let me other check average assignment score calculation. For this detail also there is in candidate friends, we have to go modified pass certificate. So those people whose average score from assignment is equal to greater than 40, they are only eligible to get the modified pass certificate. Other some contradictory that to whom it is talking about not eligible. So I hope NPTEL will clarify very soon, and when the NPTEL will issue or provide the cancellation form, at that time we can do that. So now let me go to the candidate page and show you how to download the certificate. So I have got those 3 certificates, one final certificate that is normal, the modified certificate as well I have got, and the report card I have got. So after that we have to click candidate login. So there is only little difference is there. So you can see here this time I had just applied for the 2 exam. One is enhancing an introduction to programming through C++, other is enhancing soft skill and personality. So there is, you can see here a registered assignment score sheet here we can download, and this is modified pass certificate I can download, and here is the assignment score, how much score is. So you can see here this score are available there. And here coming to the, also I have got here, you can see here this enhancing soft skill and personality, enhancing soft skill and personality. So this is modified and report, assignment report sheet, and here is the final certificate also I have got for this. And you can see here one thing, one difference is there. One course you can see here, my top course is an introduction to programming through C++. That is not here included. That is in the different criteria. You can see here the NPTEL is considering this semester as different criteria as modified pass certificate. It will be different. It will not calculate towards it. And the difference I have already told that this certificate will not count toward FDP, Faculty Development Program certificate, as well as domain certificate. The reason NPTEL is separating this both. So let me show you how to download. So first let me show you the final. So this is about my final certificate. So I will go and open it. First. So you can see I am going to open, and you can see that my certificate will be normal. As this is, you can see here there is criteria, so different criteria of certificate: elite, elite plus silver, elite plus gold, successfully completed. You can see this is exactly normal certificate. There is no difference between the previous semester and now semester, because I passed exam on June 4. And you can also see here I have got credit, so 2 credit I have got, and NPTEL has clearly mentioned the credit. So you can see here all those things, and this is silver, and those score, everything is there. So this is the normal certificate, and while coming to modified, that is different. So let me show you. So I will just show you for one. Okay, let me go here, right. So let me first show you arrested assignment score sheet. Okay, so here it is opening. Okay, arrested assignment score sheet. So here you can see that each course week is mentioned, and how much score I have got, those all details has been mentioned. Right, so in week 1 you can see here, week 2, week 3, week 4, you can see those things. Right. So here assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, assignment 4, what is this? We have go and trace back and we will check out. So this is about the course arrested assignment sheet. The same way for the enhancing soft skill. So I will also show you. So this is one is for 12 week, and this is for 8 week. So you can see here, and you can also see there is QR code, so anyone can scan and verify it is from NPTEL or not. Right. And coming to the certificate, modified pass certificate, there is the special difference on that certificate. So you can see here it is mentioned that COVID-19 impact January 2020 semester. So here is one stamp on your certificate, and this is denoting that this is the modified pass certificate. And even you can see here there is credit is provided, so this is excellent. Everyone have to consider your credit at your college. You need not to worry. Now NPTEL has clearly mentioned the credit. Right, so you can see, and you can see there is, I am just trying to show you the difference. Here I have got the silver for 84 score, but here 96 score, but here is no silver, nothing. Here is just mentioning COVID-19 impact. The same way you will get also, right? So let me also show you for other courses, next course. So you can see here in this also, this course, what is enhancing soft skill and personality. So I got 2 certificates for enhancing soft skill and personality. So sometime I will use this certificate because here is 98 score, and sometime I will use my this certificate. Okay, let me show you this certificate. So based on requirement I can show. If your score is here 50 and modified at 90, then of course you will use 90. So the reason NPTEL is providing those all flexibility to you. And one more news I want to add that the NPTEL has already started July to December semester. So you can go and check it out and you can enroll the best courses available on the platform. So let me once show you how you can go and get the best courses over there. So I have already provided video on that. So I will pause and I will open, and so here I have provided all this video about how to enroll the best course from NPTEL. In this playlist NPTEL information, you can go and check it out. And there I have also talked about the domain courses and the STAR certificate. So those all you can go and check it out. So how to register NPTEL online courses with full detail I have provided, and best course how you can enroll, and what are the domain courses for the NPTEL and how you can get. So those all I have covered, and how you can be NPTEL star, so you can be there and you can also get the star tag. So all those I have mentioned here. You go check it out and you can do it. Hello and welcome back, subscribe. Okay, and also you can add your this certificate to LinkedIn. Already I have provided those all video in this playlist. You check it out. Okay, so star certificate, let me show you. Here I have got 3 star certificate. So you can also go and check it out video for the detail. So now this is all about the things, and if you have any confusion then please you do ask me in comment section, and as soon as the NPTEL will provide cancellation form, I will provide one small video, so you can go and apply for as your performances, right? And please don't forget to subscribe this channel, share this video with colleagues, friends, and they will definitely appreciate you for the information. So thank you all for watching this video. Please stay home, stay safe, stay learning, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. So have a good time.